Once upon a time, in the heart of an ancient forest, there lived 3 wise and peculiar lions. These lions were unlike any other in the realm, not just for their majestic manes or powerful roars, but for their extraordinary wisdom that surpassed that of any creature in the land. Legend had it that these lions had been bestowed with ancient knowledge by the spirits of the forest, granting them insights into the mysteries of the universe. Many sought their counsel, from the tiniest of insects to the mightiest of beasts, for they were believed to hold the key to unlocking the secrets of existence. The first lion, known as Aurelius, was the eldest and possessed a serene demeanor that could calm even the most troubled of souls. His wisdom was as vast as the starry skies, and his words were like soothing melodies that echoed through the trees. The second lion, Luna, was as mysterious as the moonlit night. She was blessed with the gift of foresight, able to see beyond the veil of time and space. Her golden eyes gleamed with ancient knowledge, and those who sought her guidance often found themselves enlightened by her visions of the future. The third lion, Solarius, was as radiant as the sun itself. His wisdom burned brightly, illuminating the darkest corners of the forest with his profound insights. His roar could shake the very foundations of the earth, yet his heart was as gentle as a summer breeze. Together, these 3 lions formed a council of wisdom, guiding all who sought their aid with compassion and clarity. Their teachings spread far and wide, touching the hearts of creatures from every corner of the land. But one day, darkness began to creep into the forest, threatening to engulf everything in its path. The trees whispered of a great evil that stirred in the shadows, threatening to undo the balance of the world. In the face of this looming threat, the 3 wise lions knew that they must act. With their combined wisdom and strength, they embarked on a journey to confront the darkness and restore peace to the land. Through trials and tribulations, they fought bravely against the forces of evil, never once faltering in their resolve. In the end, it was their unity, wisdom, and compassion that prevailed, banishing the darkness and bringing light back to the forest once more. From that day forth, the legend of the 3 wise lions echoed throughout the ages, inspiring generations to seek knowledge, wisdom, and unity in the face of adversity. And though they may have been strange in appearance, their legacy would live on forever in the hearts of all who cherish the light of truth and understanding.